of might. Chrome is my pilot, taking flight tonight. The rush of the air feels
Hi, David here.
like a dream.
We're out again with the Mantaray, and if you saw my last video, we had an unfortunate takeoff. Oh no! That damaged the nose, it flipped over. I tried to take off with not enough airspeed, and this caused it to torque roll to the left, caused some nose damage. I've gone through and I've printed a new camera tray because that cracked, and that was really the only new part I added. I also tried to straighten out the phone the best I could, reapplied hot glue, and put in some popsicle sticks along these inside edges to kind of help straighten it out, give it a little bit of rigidity after being crumpled. And this will work. It may not be the prettiest, but this is what I did. Everything else seems just fine. It just got some foam damage. One of the really cool things about having all the 3D printed parts available to you and the foam design is that if you do have these mishaps or you break a piece or a motor mount or whatever it might be, you can just 3D print it again and replace it pretty easily. Again, the foam board is pretty cheap. This is the waterproof foam board from Flight Test, which is a lot better for durability if it gets wet or if you're in a wet area and the grass is wet or whatever it might be. If you are interested in this, it is available fully for download on printables.com. Links are in the description down below. Check it out. I'm super happy with this design. It's a lot of fun, especially if you want to up the level in FPV and have some landing gear, have the full experience from takeoff to landing, and something that is point and shoot. The other thing is, once you get comfortable, the pan camera on the rudder channel, same as the steering nose wheel, is awesome just for looking around and panning into your turns. It makes that realism level for flying in a jet just that more fun. Anyway, let's give it a try, and we're going to remade this. I'm going to do a quick line of sight test just to see if everything's working well, and then we'll put the goggles on and go back to some FPV here. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I love it. All right, camera time. Wind is coming up a little bit with the sun coming up over the mountain here.
Mantaray in the sky, soaring high above the mountains, with wings wide, feeling alive. 2,200 millions of freedom, a free sail pack taking flight.
And there's the pan.
A world that's bright. Fly, fly away. It's calling me to find my place. You know I'm seeking peace today. Gliding through the sun, feeling bold. With every heartbeat, breaking the mold. Above the rush, above the noise, in the silence, I find my voice. Searching for the bliss, oh what a thrill. A spirit rising, I feel the chill. Fly, fly away. It's calling me to find my place. You know I'm seeking peace today. way.
And this is hands off. It feels really good. So nothing went out of trim
10,
on the repair.
8, 7,
Let's see if we can get this thing to stall into the wind.
3, 2, 1. Timer 2 elapsed.
It doesn't look like it's going to want to spin since I got a little bit more nose heavy. Nice. Oh, I just love this plane. So much fun.
Disarmed.
Got to reach in here, get the battery. The power for the camera is separate, so if I ever want to turn off the camera and the transmitter, it's all on the balance tab. And if you use the outer pins, that's full voltage from this thing, which is 12 volts on a 3-cell.
Flying high above, where the clouds stretch wide. Mantaray soaring, with freedom as my guide. 2,200 millions in the skies I glide, searching for peace in the great blue tide. Sure, let me fly, yeah, oh, in the open sky. With every beat of wind, I feel alive. Through the mountain peaks, let the journey unfold. With every whispered breeze, a story to be told. Above the world I roam, a heart made of gold. In this endless dance, where the wild is bold. Sure, let me fly, yeah, oh, in the open sky. With every beat of wind, I feel alive. Living for the moment.
I got to thank Daniel for coming out and helping film some of this footage. I just wanted to show us some of his gear. Do you want to tell us what you're using?
Yeah, I've got, just a basic 5-inch quad. I've got an Avata 2 with the DJI stuff. I've got a Canon R6 Mark II. Got a little Atomos monitor on there so I can see better in the sunlight.
For your in-flight footage, what do you enjoy flying the most?
Well, the FPV stuff's really good because it's easy to get up close and chase you really well, but I was trying with the Avata doing sport mode because in that it keeps the camera level to where the footage might look a little bit more stable, where no matter what speed I'm going, the camera's always level pointed at this horizon, which might make some good footage.
Anyway, thanks for joining us out here today. Got to remade in the Mantaray. If you're interested, go out there and you can download all the files, and it helps me out a little bit. Also, if you want to help me out, give me a thumbs up on the video if you like this content, and consider subscribing. It will really help other people see this footage. As always, just get out there and fly, and thanks for watching.